This is more of an annoyance than a problem. During the last winter storm, one of my winter tires deflated severely. Just one. I don't know, maybe it has a plug and the air escaped when the plug shrank quicker than the tire under the sub-zero Fahrenheit cold. My Tesla Model S MCU reported the issue. All tire TPMS readings went orange at 30 psi, but the back driver tire was at 24 psi. I proceeded to inflate all tires to 40 psi. They all held the pressure. But the warning message would not go away. The alert icon stayed on, as you can see, despite the tire pressure being even across all tires. The MCU provides no capability to reset notifications. This is sort of a big missing feature. I've seen other brands including it. In any case, I thought I'd reset the dash. That didn't fix it. I reset the MCU. That didn't fix it either. I goggled the issue and came up with this. Reset the TPMS. This takes a long while, at least on my Model S. It also recommends driving around. So I did. Nothing. I do have access to a private strip on which I can step on the accelerator. After about 7 to 8 minutes, the alert icon went away. The notification text did not. I drove some more, and nothing. Finally, I parked and powered the MCU off, not a reset, like so. Then when I pressed the brake pedal to wake up the car, and the message was gone. I hope this helps you clear your flat tire message. I guess the tire must no longer be flat for the messages and HUD alerts to go away though.